Hello, second grade. Today we're going to be solving 3-digit addition sentences. So, as you can see, I have my manipulatives and my whiteboard. I want you to have something to solve the problems on other than just using your manipulative blocks when you solve today. You will put the final answer in the blocks, but you can use them to manipulate and help you solve it. But we want to really get to where we can use expanded form to solve our problems. So, let's get started. Okay, the first number we're going to solve is 326 plus 132. No. 326 plus 126. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write this in expanded form. I want to circle my operation so I remember what we are solving, what operation we're using. So I'm going to write 300 plus 20 plus 6. I really want to make sure everything's lined up. I don't have much room, but you'll have more room on your paper than I do on a whiteboard online. 100 plus 20 plus 6. Okay. So the first number I'm going to make is 326. So I'm going to bring over 1, 2, oops. 1, 2, 300. Two tens and 6 ones. So there's 5. We'll add one more. 6. Okay. Then I'm going to make 126. 100. 2 tens. And 6 ones. So we know that you need, if I have 5, I'm going to take this 5. I'm going to add it to this 5. And I create a new 10. So I'm going to, I can simply put them together on this little cool thing. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have another 10. See, it's the exact same. So now I have how many ones left over? 2. Because 6 and 6 was 12. But I want to take my 10 and give it over here. So this becomes 2. Okay, so now we have how many 10s left up here? 10, 20, 30. Because 20 plus 10 is 30. Then we're going to bring 40, 50. So we have 50 now in the 10s. Then I'm going to take my 300 and add my 100, and I get 1, 2, 3, 400. When I put it together, I get 452. Is that what I got? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 51, 52. Great job. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do 271 plus 319. Okay, so I'm going to bring 200, 7 tens, $70, and then 1. And then I'm going to make 300. Oops. Split those back up. 300. 300. And 110. And 9 ones. All right, there's my 9 ones. Wind up the best I can. Okay, so now we're going to write this in expanded form. 200 plus 70 plus 1. I cleared it so that we'd have more room. Plus, I'm going to circle that, 300, 110, 9 ones. All right, we know that 9 plus 1 is 10. Because look, if I complete this 10 down here, I have 10 ones now. 10 ones make a group of 10. So I'll just make an exchange. So I'll put my blocks back together. And look, I have, oh man. Technology's cool sometimes when it works. It's very touchy. Okay. So now there's my 10. So now this 10 is the exact same as this. See, they line right up together. So now we know that 9 plus 1 was 10, but we want to give the 10 over here. So that will leave 0 ones. Bring the 10 over here. So we now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we're going to add this 10, which makes 90. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Because now it's nothing. 0, 90. And then we're going to add all our hundreds together. 300 plus 200 is, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So when we put it together, we get 590. Great job, everybody. All right, so now you're going to use what we just learned, and you're going to go solve 4 problems. And I can't wait to see your answers. So make sure you turn that Google slide in for the adding 3-digit numbers into your teacher. If you have any questions, make sure to let our awesome second grade team know. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work.